In this video, I will show you how to diagonally split a cell in Microsoft Excel like this. So right click on any cell where you want to split like this one. So right click and click on Format Cells. Now here select border. Then select this option. You will see this preview. Then click on OK. Now here type your text 1. Click anyway. Now press Ctrl. Now press and hold Alt key plus Enter. Now type your text 2 and click anyway. Now keep your cursor before T. Press some space. Now click anyway. You can adjust size for this cell. Make more space before text.